I never dreamt that I could do math that easily. And honestly, I didn't used to like math. But I don't know, after joining Brain Master, suddenly something happened and I loved it. Easy techniques, very easy. And I also pray that everyone still comes more and more, because this is the most easy technique to learn. And not only that our fingers and everything, but our bodies, even our brains get to work. Because they say that our brains might work on one side, on the other it doesn't. But I think so when we use our fingers, our brain stimulates more, and that helps more of it. So I've really had more memories here and learned really a lot. And I learn in Chitante and I'm doing sciences, and my dream is to become a professor. Yes, I can never be so much higher than my other gurus that are here, but at least at their level somewhere. So thank you so much.
My name is Shambhavi. I study at Delhi Public School. I would like to thank Anjali ma'am and Vivek uncle for helping me in maths, because before I used to be weak, but now I am better and
Better. Thank you.
Math calculation using fingers and multiply and lot of experience in Grandmaster. And my dream is to become IT future. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Yashvi and I'm studying in DPSI. From Brain Master, it has really helped me in school, in math especially. So yeah, I would like to thank Ms. Julie for sharing her knowledge with me. Yeah, and it has been a good experience. I've made new friends, I've learned new things.
And she's doing 10th exam, so please pray for her that she also score high. And I want Yashvi to be on the stage when they announce class 10 result. And we have planned something, that we have given her some vision to visualize. Even Sambhavi is the part of them. The class 10 student would visualize techniques. It is a mind power program. We are supporting and backing up for the visualization technique. It's a 5-step techniques. And I believe Yashvi and Sambhavi are following that in a religious way. And we believe that if they do that, they will actualize what they are visualizing right now. Because this is the same girls which we want them to do, make us proud more when they score high in their board exams. Thank you so much.
All I would like to say is that I enjoyed this program a lot because I had such nice teachers and all the friends who could support me all the time.
Oh, that's it.